You are about to learn the number one remedy for stomach ulcers. There's a natural remedy that does something that no capsule or antacid can come close to matching. And it doesn't just relieve ulcers, it kills the bacteria that causes ulcers, which is H. pylori. It reduces your stomach inflammation and acidity. It supports faster healing of your stomach lining. It contains vitamin U, also known as S-methylmethionine, which has been shown to assist in the rapid healing of stomach ulcers, and it helps to prevent the development of histamine-induced stomach ulcers. A research was done in 1949, and it was showed that when it was administered to participants with stomach ulcers, 6 of the participants who received it experienced faster ulcer healing time of just 7 days. This is in comparison to other participants who were administered standard therapy, and their healing time was as long as 42 days. Later on, another study was done in 1952 and in 1956, and similar results were found. Faster healing time. More recently, in 2011, another research was done, and it was found out that it actually prevents the formation of stomach ulcers. It was also shown that it increases your stomach pH, which means that it has antacid properties like your Digestive, your Gaviscon, and others. Patients which have a different type of ulcer called duodenal ulcer were also given this same ingredient, and it was found out that their healing time was as short as 10 days in comparison to other people whose healing time was 37 days who were given standard therapy. So, the number one remedy for healing stomach ulcers fast is fresh organic cabbage juice. But you cannot just chew it raw or cook it to achieve this result. It has to be done in a specific way, and this is how you do it. First of all, you ensure that you get fresh organic cabbage. The green ones are found to be best. You wash thoroughly with clean water to remove dirt, and all of that. Then you blend it with your blender to achieve a smooth consistency. But there's no way you get it so smooth, so you have to sieve it to remove the chaff and to get the juice. You store this juice in a container and you store it in your fridge to keep it fresh. Then you take 1 glass of this drink in the morning and 1 glass at night. Prepare it every day so that you can get it fresh and to prevent contamination. Do this for 2 weeks consistently and observe the results. Apart from following ulcer remedies, certain things that you do unknowingly every day actually sets back your progress and hinders your healing. To achieve lasting and faster results, you need to identify and correct these mistakes. And in this video right here, I've explained these hidden but proven tips. So watch it now to achieve the results you deserve. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't done so, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. See you on the next one. Now take note that this video is actually for educational purposes only. It does not replace your own doctor's medical advice.